Hey everyone, Dyer. Today I'm diving into a heated debate. Is wildlife conservation worth the effort? Stick around and let's explore this critical question together. Wildlife conservation has never been more relevant. As we face the sixth mass extinction, it's vital to discuss why preserving our planet's biodiversity is so important. One of the biggest obstacles, habitat destruction. Human development and urbanization have decimated natural habitats, leaving countless species without a home. Take the Amazon rainforest, for example. In the last 50 years, over 17% of it has been lost. This not only impacts the plants and animals there, but it also disrupts the entire ecosystem. Now, let's talk about poaching. The demand for rhino horns, elephant tusks, and other animal products has led to the slaughter of thousands of animals. The illegal wildlife trade is worth over $20 billion, making it a lucrative business. And it's not just the animals that suffer. Local communities and ecosystems are also devastated. Climate change is another colossal challenge. Rising temperatures are altering habitats and upsetting the delicate balance of ecosystems. Polar bears, for instance, are struggling as their sea ice habitats melt. Coral bleaching is wreaking havoc on marine life globally. The effects of climate change are far-reaching and devastating. But here's where the debate heats up. Some argue that saving animals is a luxury we can't afford. They say resources should be spent on human welfare and development. However, conservationists counter that preserving biodiversity is crucial for human survival. Healthy ecosystems provide essential services like clean air and water, soil formation, and climate regulation. Others claim that saving individual species is futile. They point out that extinction is a natural process, and human efforts are often too little, too late. Yet conservationists argue it's our responsibility to protect species endangered by human activities. By saving individual species, we're also preserving their ecosystems and the services they provide. Let's look at some success stories. The California condor was down to just 22 birds a few decades ago. Thanks to intensive conservation, including captive breeding and habitat protection, there are now over 500 condors soaring in the skies. This shows the power of dedicated conservation efforts. Another example is the Mountain Gorilla Conservation Program. The population of mountain gorillas has been steadily increasing due to the tireless work of conservationists, local communities and governments. This success is a testament to what we can achieve when we prioritize conservation. The debate around wildlife conservation is complex. While there are valid points on both sides, it's clear that preserving biodiversity is essential for our planet's survival. Moving forward, we must prioritize conservation and work together to protect our precious wildlife. Thanks for watching. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're curious to learn more, check out our next video on the front lines of wildlife conservation. See you next time.